How to save Telegram chat as PDF. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your device. Simply select the chat you want to export. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Export Chat History. Then you'll find these options. Select what you want to export: photo, videos, voice messages. You can also select size limit of your file and press on Export at the bottom. After you have done that, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Show My Data at the bottom after it's completed, and it will open your files. Select the file and it will open. As you can see, it has already been saved on your device. This is how to save Telegram chat as PDF. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.